RackGuard Pallet Rack Safety Netting from Industrial Netting protects people and reduces product damage in warehouses, stockrooms, and other storage facilities. Unlike knitted and woven nets, the joint structure of this extruded polypropylene grid retains the original hole size and resists sagging. You can easily trim RackGuard safety netting to fit over sprinkler heads or other irregular shapes without losing the structural integrity of the mesh. It won't fray or unravel if a joint or strand is cut. Installing RackGuard netting is pretty straightforward. All it takes is tin snips and plastic ties. For best results, you'll want to use cable ties that are UV stabilized to maximum service life. The ties we're using here are rated 175 pounds of tensile strength. RackGuard netting can be used for numerous tasks, including back-of-rack safety net and end-of-aisle protection, shelf dividers, and lighter-duty box applications. But remember, it should only be used in vertical applications and never considered as catch netting for people. To get started with installation, place the RackGuard roll on the floor parallel to the rack. Next, pull one end of the RackGuard netting to the top of the rack and wrap the RackGuard grid around the top beam. Then use ties to secure the center and ends in order to hold the RackGuard netting in place. Working from the top down, pull the netting snug as you go and install cable ties every 4 to 6 inches. Once the RackGuard netting is secured, use tin snips to trim off any excess material. RackGuard netting is available in master rolls, but most prefer that we pre-cut to specific sizes at our factory for quicker and easier installation. And that's all there is to installing RackGuard, the best way to defend your products while protecting your people.